Hi guys, this is Vishwa and you're watching Vishwa Tech Logic YouTube channel. So as we all know that all the members are waiting for the Flipkart Big Billion Day sale and also the Amazon Great Indian Festival sale. So in this video, I'm going to share some important information where you can save your money as well as you can buy the correct product. So in this video I'm going to help you the all the things what you want to do before the sale. So follow this instruction to get the save your money as well as to buy the good product. So in this video I'm going to explain in detail. So if you think that this video is helpful, please do share this video with your friends and family members and like this video and comment your opinion below. So now let's see. First thing friends, so what you need to have. So first thing you need to have an Flipkart Plus membership. So Flipkart membership for the Flipkart and the Prime membership for the Amazon. So basically these both are the important things. So where the Flipkart sale will be start from the 16th October. So 16th October means the for the Flipkart membership there will be a sale from the 15th October. So where almost all the limited deals and the products will be out of stock during this period. So as you can see here, the 70,000 flagship mobile for 18,000 itself. So if you want to buy like such kind of products, there is an iPhones, there is some huge discount deals are going on for the laptops and everything. If you want to purchase these exclusive deals, you need to have and must need to have a Prime membership and also the Flipkart membership, where the sale will be start from the previous day. So where you can grab this offer. First thing is you need to have an Prime membership as well as the Flipkart membership if you are buying from the Flipkart. So this is the first thing where you need to have, because all the flash deals will be limited deals will be out of stock during this time, because so many users are buying the product, so targeting the product and purchasing this product, because this is a big Indian sale. So this is the where you can get the most offers in this time period. So this is an biggest deal. So if you want the any limited deals offers anything friends, I will give link in the description. So you can join to our WhatsApp group so that you will be getting the limited period offers and the exclusive deals, all the products, the best deal offers you will be getting over there. So first thing is this. The next thing is rating. So if you are purchasing any new product, so if you want to see the rating, so if you are seeing the rating for 4.5 and the 5 and the 4.8 something like that, so first friends you need to take care of the members, how many members they have been rated. So if you are just you can assume that, so if the two members are rated 5 stars, 5 stars, and it will be obviously it will show for the 5 stars. So minimum to minimum it need to have minimum to 50 to 100 ratings, so members rating. So if it is more than 3.5 rating, it's good to go, you can just go through that. So and the next thing is check the product previous price when compared to the, so when we compare, so let us think that there isn't so many products will be listed over there. So these are the discounted products. So for example both earphones, so you can just think that, so the price will be same, but they will be show that the this much percentage discount, 30% discount, 50% discount. So what you need to do, so if you want to purchase that product, just search in the Google, so what is the previous price and what is the sale price. So if you want the exact price, you can go to the official website. So for example if you are purchasing the boat earphones, you can just go through the boat official website and check the what is the present price and what is the exact price of this. So if there is a discount on that price, you can just go through that. And also the next thing is the complete mobile protection in the Flipkart. So friends, if you are purchasing any mobile or else for the like laptop, so this is the important thing where you can purchase. So there are some exclusive deals like you can may get for 99 rupees also. So before checkout, please add that product for the like for the complete mobile protection. So because it will help us further if there is any damage for the screen, any damage for your mobile, so there will be a amount will be less when we compare to the normal price. So this is an extended warranty from the Flipkart exclusively for the mobiles, and also for you will be getting for the laptop. So you can just check out the price. So if you want to add it, you can add it, so it will be helpful for the further. And also the next thing is, this is the most thing, the how the market strategies will be going on. So decide the product first, 3 to 4. So let us think that So as you can see here, I have been explained that the 70,000 flagship mobile is for 18,000 in the Flipkart. So let us think that what we will do. Basically what we will do is, so first we will just go through that product and just check out the product. So let us think that, so if you want to buy for the flagship mobile, you have a budget of 20,000 rupees and you want to purchase mobile for this mobile, so LG G8X. So you want to, for example, I am saying if you want to purchase this, so what we will do, so just we will go through that on that the sale day. So we will be going to the purchase, but the maximum members will be getting the out of stock. So what we will do, so we have a budget of 20,000, so just we will search on that day, so what is the what is the product we have for the 20,000, and we will be blindly purchasing that product. So it is better to just choose the 3 to 4 products. So for example, for the laptop also, friends, if you want to purchase an laptop, so at the same category you can just see the, there will be a lot of deals, okay, but just choose 3 to 4 laptops. So just if there is an out of stock, just you can go through the another laptop and you can buy the laptop. So because why this means, so many products will be out of stock. So this will be the most important thing where you are doing the mistake. So it's better to take the 3 to 4 products, so at your price range, so where we'll be getting the some discount. So if the product is out of stock, you can just go through the similar product what we have in the most offer period. So this is the another thing is, friends, check the card offer. So card offer, so you may think that, so we can purchase the 2 products, 3 products, there are terms and conditions and there are maximum discount also. So let us think that I am purchasing the laptop for the 15%. So basically it have an SBI or else HDFC cards. So maximum discount will be the 1500 rupees. So sometimes there may be a 2000 rupees also. So you can just go through that the terms and condition. So some people will think that, so if you purchase and for the 50,000 laptop, I will be getting that instant discount 5,000. No, friends, just you can check the terms and conditions what are there in there. So you can just check the terms and conditions. Like this, there is a minimum, a minimum purchase and the maximum discount, what are the card discount, and also there is in some terms and conditions, like in this sale you can't avail this offer for 2 to 3 times. Like this, there are so many terms and conditions. So I will make a dedicated video for it also. So for the what are the mobile offers, what are the laptops. So if you want to buy any mobile or laptops, you can just log in, I will give link in the description. Just join to our WhatsApp group, so it will be the helpful for the, so I will be sharing on that day the deals and offers what we are getting. So you can just go through that. And also this card offer, you can just 2 things you need to notice. So how much times you can utilize the card offer, so and also the what is the minimum purchase and what is the maximum discount of the card. So you can use this both. So this both will be helpful for you. So the card offers will be the 10%, so up to you can get the maximum, you may get up to 2000 rupees, friends. So I hope this video is helpful for you. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please do share this information with your friends and family members. If you are not yet subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon and click on all to get all the notification from our channel. And also you can join to our WhatsApp group to get grab the good offers, deals and all. So if you want to purchase any mobile and laptops, so I will be sharing the dedicated for you the best price mobile, the limited days offer in our WhatsApp group. I hope this video is helpful for you. Please do share this video with your friends and family members. So thank you, friends. Thank you for watching this video.